Hey you guys, it's Naturally Ann here and I'm back with another video. If you've been here before, welcome back, me and more. And if you're new here, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. And while you're here, leave a big thumbs up on this video and leave a comment if you're feeling yourself. Leave a comment if you like this hairstyle. Leave a comment if you have a hairstyle that you want to see me try. Leave a comment if you just want to say hello. I respond to comments. I love comments. I love interacting with my subscribers and getting to know you guys, like through whatever you leave a comment on, you know, I'm definitely gonna reply. Like, let's be friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this braid out. I'm not exactly going to show you how I did that half up, half down thing, but I can do a video on that if you would like to see it. I believe I have a quick hairstyles video that shows how I do this hairstyle, because it's really easy. You know, you can have one bun, you can have two buns. Shoot, you can even have three buns. That's cute. Or you could freak it with the bantu knots up in the front. I've done something like that before. Yeah, there's a lot of different ways you can do a half up, half down hairstyle. Wow, maybe I just gave myself another video idea. But in this video, I'm just going to be showing you how I did the braids for this braid out, and then I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the product that I use and how I like them. So if you're interested in this hairstyle and the products I use, please stay tuned and make sure you're subscribed to my channel with your post notifications turned on, and I will see you guys later. So this is how my hair ended up turning out. So what had happened was, when I was doing my hair, I should have started earlier. That's problem number one. Problem number two, I did not finish all of the braids in my hair, but like these braids turned out really, really cute. Like my curls are super defined. But one thing that I don't like is, I think the curl holding custard that I used from Creme of Nature, I feel like it left, for some reason my hair is flaky. I don't know if it's just because of my hair, because I do have dry scalp, so I do like get dandruff in my hair pretty often. So that could be a reason why my hair seems flaky, and that could be a reason why my hair flakes up with Eco Styler as well. I need to oil my scalp more often. Definitely, I need to do scalp massages. That's a thing that I used to do more often than I have been doing lately, and that's probably one of the reasons why my hair has been kind of dry. But yeah, I didn't show you guys like how my braids were, but in the back I had, you know, my braids, and in the front I had two big flat twists because I didn't have enough time to finish all the braids. And then like I had dance class, and I had dance rehearsal, and then just like life just really happened. And then like I got home today, and then I finished braiding my friend's hair, and like I was still looking crazy. So then I just took my hair down, then I put this little bun up here, and I'm just like, okay, this is good enough, this is cute, we look cute, like this is better than what I looked like yesterday. And I was going all day looking crazy, half braided with two nasty uneven twists in the front of my head. Like it was crazy. But I'm actually really happy about the way that my hair turned out, so I'm definitely still going to upload this video, especially because I need to let y'all know, like, I don't really know how to feel about the Creme of Nature Curl and Hold Custard, because I think this is my second time trying it, and I feel like it did kind of make my hair flake up. But if I start, you know, adding oil in my scalp and scalp massages to my regimen again, it probably will make a difference, I hope. So we're gonna see how that goes. And I do still want to do box braids for myself, as I mentioned in my car chat video. So we're gonna see how that goes, because my friend said that she wants to try them on me, so I might just let her do it and then like make a video out of that. But I also just might do it myself, because that's what I really want to do, because I did my friend's braids and they're really good. Like I'm finally learning how to actually tuck the hair under the braiding hair, and you know, she likes burgundy hair with her braids, so like I know how to like mix it in. I'm out here learning. I'm really excited. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and make sure you leave a big thumbs up, leave a comment if you're feeling yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I keep doing this. Maybe I don't hate doing this, but peace out.